All right, day number 5 in the Star Wars Advent Lego calendar. And we've got a droid. Awesome. Okay. Roger, roger. All right, we'll move this on. Again, this is day number 5. This should be pretty easy compared to some of the other ones we've been doing. So we got the legs here. And then this will be the body. Should make sense. Then we've got the head here. Actually, this is probably the back. And then head. Cool. And then this. Do we have 2 sets of arms? Interesting. Okay. Looks like we've got 2 different sets of arms here. So we've got a straight and then a curved. And then I think it just depends on how we're going to hold the, there we go, the blaster. All right, awesome. So we got 2 different arms. We'll go ahead and put these guys over there. This is day number 5. And moving on. Awesome. So we've got day number 1, day number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's move on to day number 6 tomorrow, and make sure to stay tuned.